All right, so this is definitely a new product for the channel. Special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me their portable folding toilet. Yes, this is a folding toilet that you would use when you're camping or something like that. You can see it's portable, easy carry-on, compact design, stable structure and washable ABS material, easy install and easy folding. And this one even has a bonus of 20 toilet waste bags. Nothing really on the top or bottom. The side is just kind of your instructions of how exactly you would use it. And then this has kind of that same information, sturdy, easy to carry, foldable design, ABS material. And the back has the sides as well as the product contents. You can see it's good for camping, hiking, trips, or a traffic jam. Hey, if you're in a traffic jam, you know, you gotta go, you gotta go. So let's take a look at it here. Those are the bags, and that's it for the box. So these are the bags that come with it. See, they got a little tape on them, very nice. And then this is the actual folding. Is that a carrying case? Yeah, this is like a carrying case. So there is a user's manual that's here in the front. So that gives you a little bit more detail of everything. Something you definitely want to look over, as well as it has the instructions for putting it all together. But it looks pretty simple in terms of it just kind of pulls out. See? We throw our bottom down, and then, you know, you put your bag in here. And then you just snap your top on and you're good to go. And when you're done using it, you can even close it up. I must say, this is much nicer and easier than I thought it would be. And it does feel pretty sturdy. I mean, I don't know the actual weight limit. Does it say? It doesn't say. So I don't know if there is a weight limit, but just very easy to use. I mean, this would be much more handier than, you know, trying to go in the woods. So that'll do it for this portable folding toilet unboxing and demonstration. Again, special thanks to this company for sending it my way so I could show it to you guys. And we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.